Dang, I just came across a video on YouTube. Death is part of living life. What I'm about to share in the link in the description, it's weird. Because there are some female channels on YouTube I don't see anymore that bash on men, that talk about how feminism is this and that. How MGTOW is a problem. It's worse than feminism. How guys are gay for going MGTOW and all that. There's a couple channels in the females or hardcore feminists I don't see on YouTube anymore. I'm wondering if other female channels actually care about other females who are helping them bash on men. And yet, how many guys in the manosphere made a video talking about Mr. Elite brought up one guy's name who wasn't part of the manosphere for men, but he was still a man. Then there was another one. I mean, I find it strange that females, they don't, they have their own channels, but they talk about like feminism is the thing, and yet none of them are grouping together. None of them are trying to. It is what it is, really. But dang. The other female channels actually don't care. I looked into those other female channels that are no longer fucking man bashing anymore. I found out they either passed away or got too sick, or their funding ran out. But none of the other female channels actually, it proves how selfish a female's nature truly is. But anyway, I'll be sharing the link of one female that passed away this year. That one channel here on YouTube thought she was worth remembering. I mean, channel probably owned by guys, not females, because if it probably been owned by females, they probably wouldn't even fucking did what they did for in this video. that I'm about to share in the description.